After spending money on underperforming ads that don't generate sales, you probably feel like a depressed guru. Minions assemble. Our next goal is to dominate the SERPs. The best way to stop investing in unprofitable campaigns is to monitor ad performance, but keeping track of different ad channels and analytics platforms feels like a full-time job. You need a tool that makes it easy to create great ads, analyze conversions, and automatically pause underperforming ads. Introducing Adline. What is Adline? The world's easiest ad creator, Adline is a super easy advertising platform. Build stunning ads across Facebook, Instagram, Google Display, and Google Search in minutes. Optimize and automate with our AI Alina bot 24/7. Adline is an intuitive analytics and advertising platform that enables you to manage your ads and boost ROI using optimization techniques. Your ad budget will be optimized by an automatic budget optimization algorithm across different channels at least 6 times each day. This program can automatically identify underperformers, pause them, and grow winning ads in their place by monitoring pertinent ad parameters. This implies that you can increase ROI and reduce losses without doing anything. Even better, you can move your ad spend more than 40 times a week to make sure you're supporting profitable advertising campaigns. Using Ads Creator, anyone can quickly create multi-channel ads, regardless of experience level. Super easy advertising and analytics platform. Promote your products and services in minutes. Successfully grow your business online. All in one online advertising. Say goodbye to manual work. Quick and easy advertising center. Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads in one. Complete overview. Work fast, easy ad creator. Create many ads in minutes and save hours with your new ad tool. Focus your energy on creating amazing ads. Save time, intuitive campaign builder. Select your target audience. Choose your budget and click start. Publish all your Facebook and Google ads in one click. Become profitable, automatic optimization. Spend money wisely and grow your business. Adline uses algorithms to optimize your ads while you sleep. Visualize your data. Turn your website into an easy-to-read analytics dashboard that actually makes you wiser. Measure and analyze everything, from button clicks, conversions, and channel performance. Know your results. Conversion tracking simplified. There's no limits on what you can analyze. Track all buttons, links, pages, and uncover the data behind it all. Multi-channel ads creator. Want to create successful ads? Our mission is to help businesses succeed online by creating winning ads quickly and easily. The Adline Ads Creator will allow you to create profitable ads in record time, whether you're a beginner or an expert. We've simplified the way to create Facebook, Instagram, Google Search, and responsive ads in one intuitive ad creator. Facebook and Instagram Ads Creator. Creating Facebook and Instagram ads has never been easier. Write a headline, description, and upload an image or a video. By setting up a Facebook video or image, you'll also become visible on Instagram. Google Ads Creator. Creating Facebook and Instagram ads has never been easier. Write a headline, description, and upload an image or a video. By setting up a Facebook video or image, you'll also become visible on Instagram. Create lots of variations. Duplicate your ads and create dozens of variations to test. Increase the odds of creating a winning advertisement. The Adline Overall Overview. Adline is an easy-to-use advertising and analytics tool that lets you manage your ads and increase ROI with optimization algorithms. Adline's automatic budget optimization algorithm is trained to optimize your ad budget at least 6 times a day across multiple channels. By keeping track of relevant ad metrics, this tool is able to automatically detect poor performers, pause them, and scale winning ads instead. That means you can maximize your ROI and minimize losses, all without lifting a finger. You'll even be able to relocate your ad spend more than 40 times per week, ensuring that you're funding ad campaigns that actually work. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can create multi-channel ads super fast using the Adline Ads Creator. Just write a headline and description, then upload an image or video to publish your ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google. You can duplicate your ads and make quick edits on creative or copy to generate multiple variations for testing. Plus, Adline lets you unify your Facebook and Google ads in a centralized campaign builder to manage multi-channel ads without the headache of multiple accounts. Adline's tracking script can analyze your whole website for conversion events like clicks to buttons, links, and destination pages. Identify the top conversion elements and see which channels drive the most traffic and conversions. And because it's a cinch to analyze the cost per conversion, you'll be able to determine where you should invest your marketing budget to maximize your profits. Adline's Click Map lets you turn your website into a real-time, graphic analytics dashboard that visualizes where viewers click on your landing page. Understand how visitors interact with your website, so you can get to know your target audience at a deeper level and uncover bottlenecks for growth. You'll even be able to see how traffic flows through your website to compare traffic and conversions by channels, devices, and locations. Unless you can predict the future, monitoring your ad performance feels like a gambling nightmare. Adline can monitor your marketing results and optimize your ad budget, so you can maximize your ROI on autopilot. Run more winning campaigns. So why are you late? Get lifetime access to Adline today. Adline plans and features. Lifetime access to Adline. All future premium plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. Only for new Adline users who do not have existing accounts. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Adline features included in all plans. Automatic budget optimizer. Google search ads. Google responsive ads. Facebook and Instagram ads. Unlimited data storage. AI tracking and optimization. Conversion tracking and analytics. Create ad campaigns. Marketing dashboard. One account includes one primary website. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $59. All features above included. 2 sub-accounts. 5 users. 10 click maps. Unlimited ad spend. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $119. All features above included. 4 sub-accounts. 20 users. 20 click maps. Unlimited ad spend. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $279. All features above included. 10 sub-accounts. Unlimited users. 40 click maps. Unlimited ad spend. So why are you late? Get Adline lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.